Welcome back to our exciting video series on the 7 habits of highly effective people. I'm your host and today we're reaching the final habit, Habit 7, Sharpen the Saw. This habit is all about continuous growth and self-renewal. It's the key to maintaining success and fulfillment in both our personal and professional lives. So, let's dive into Habit 7 and discover some practical tools and techniques for success. Sharpen the Saw. Habit 7 is called Sharpen the Saw. It's about taking care of ourselves physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually to sustain our effectiveness and well-being. This habit emphasizes the importance of self-renewal for long-term success. So, how can we practice this habit in our daily lives? Let's explore some practical tools and techniques. One powerful technique to practice Habit 7 is self-care and renewal. It involves prioritizing activities that rejuvenate and replenish us on multiple levels. Here are some practical steps you can follow to sharpen the saw and maintain your effectiveness. Scene: the host explaining each step. Step 1. Physical well-being. Make time for regular exercise, proper nutrition, and sufficient rest. Taking care of your body is essential for sustained energy and overall health. Step 2. Mental stimulation. Engage in activities that stimulate your mind, such as reading, learning new skills, or solving puzzles. Keep your brain active and continuously expand your knowledge. Step 3. Emotional balance. Pay attention to your emotional well-being. Practice self-reflection, journaling, or mindfulness techniques to manage stress, cultivate positive emotions, and build resilience. Step 4. Spiritual nourishment. Connect with your inner self and find meaning in life. This can be through meditation, prayer, spending time in nature, or engaging in activities that align with your values and beliefs. By practicing self-care and renewal, you'll enhance your overall well-being, increase your capacity to handle challenges, and sustain long-term success. Another practical tool for Habit 7 is lifelong learning. It involves a commitment to continuous personal and professional development. Let's explore how you can cultivate a mindset of lifelong learning. Step 1. Embrace curiosity. Approach life with a sense of wonder and a desire to learn. Stay curious about new ideas, technologies, and developments in your field. Step 2. Set learning goals. Identify areas of growth and set specific goals for acquiring new knowledge or developing new skills. Break down your goals into manageable steps. Step 3. Seek learning opportunities. Actively seek out learning opportunities such as workshops, seminars, online courses, or even mentorship. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire and challenge you. Attend workshops, participate in online courses and engage with a mentor. Step 4. Reflect and apply. Take time to reflect on what you've learned and how it can be applied to your personal and professional life. Apply your new knowledge to solve problems and drive innovation. By embracing lifelong learning, you'll stay relevant, adapt to changes, and unlock new opportunities for growth and success. And there you have it, practical tools and techniques for success in life through Habit 7, Sharpen the Saw. By practicing self-care and renewal, as well as embracing lifelong learning, you can sustain your effectiveness and well-being for long-term success. Thank you for joining us today. Make sure you watch all the exciting videos in our 7 Habits of Highly Effective People series. We'll be bringing you life-changing insights, book summaries, and more in coming days. Remember, these habits can transform your life if you put them into practice. Hope you have liked series on 7 habits to be highly effective in life. Do like, subscribe, and share it with others who are on their journey of personal and professional growth. Stay tuned for more life-changing content. Until next time, take care and keep sharpening that saw.